Hello UC, my name is Lewis Hou. I am founder and director of the Science Ceilidh, and we support creativity, curiosity and equity and well-being across Scotland and beyond. And I really want to wish our science engagement colleagues across Europe and beyond with UC a very happy 20th birthday. Call the Bray Sonagut in Scots Gaelic, Bon Anniversaire, Gut Alice, Aid Milad Said, sign up for a lot, whatever language, and of course there's plenty more. We're really excited to be there to celebrate. Now, we work with communities, youth workers, educators, librarians, New Scots, all sorts of groups all across Scotland in many different ways. And one favourite way to bring people together is through Scottish music and Scottish dance. And if you're intrigued as how do we do that, we are hosting a wee workshop during the party itself where you can find out how we do it. But before we do that, and we hopefully you'll see you there, I think it's time for a tune. Feels very fitting. So. See you at the party.